Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this ultra clear Anker portable conference speaker or microphone. So it's 360 voice coverage for up to 8 people. DSP reduces ambient sound, voice broadcasting indicator light, charge your device. Compatible with leading platforms. So I think this has like some kind of battery pack in it too, so you can charge your phone if you need to. It features connect to PC via USB, 24-hour talk time, smart voice technology, Bluetooth. So I got this so people could hear over Skype multiple people. All right, so here we have this right here. And first thing is we have this little USB-A to USB-C power cord. It says download the Ankerwork app to connect your device, switch modes, update firmware, and much more. So it has a little, you can get an app for it there on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. All right, so check this out. It comes with this sweet little case here, nice like a neoprene, like kind of protective case here. Little zipper on there. It comes out just like that. Okay, so a pretty cool looking speaker here actually. Pretty sleek. It's got a little power button here on the front and a Bluetooth button as well. Let's see, we have auxiliary out, USB-C, and power out. Those are the ones in the back there that you can see. So it only comes with the one cord there, so if you were to hook it up with auxiliary out, maybe hook it up to another speaker or something, possibly. Maybe you can hook up multiples of these together. And I just like that I'll be able to connect it with Bluetooth, and hopefully everyone can hear over that. So I'm actually going to hook this up now, play it off of my phone and record some audio so we can hear that. I want to see exactly how many mega amp hours this battery is. It feels pretty heavy, this device. FCC rules may not cause interference. Man, usually there's something on there that tells you like how many mega amp hours the battery is here actually on here. So press and hold. So basically it's going to be super easy to set this up. It should just be pretty much plug and play, so that's going to be cool. I can't really find right off the hand. If I find out later when I'm doing the other video, I'll let you guys know. One thing does is have this nice little rubber non-slip padding there on the bottom, so it's not going to roll around. And super easy to carry here and portable. And I like that you can like charge your phone too. So if you are using your phone, and if this battery is 24 hours, if you can be confident that you can have a conference call or whatever that's going to last a while and not run out of battery, so you can charge your phone while you're doing the Bluetooth thing with that. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to my phone, and we'll check out the sound, how good it is in picking up a room and the sound quality from there. So let's check it out, my friends. All right, friends. So I have it set right here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna talk like normally. Usually like the lights light up if it's like seeing, so just gonna talk normal, just gonna go over here, talking normal, see if you can hear me. Then I'll like walk it over here, just talking normal. How about I just walk over in this direction? Talking kind of like away, and then talking towards it here. Then more back towards the phone here. Probably, oh, this is, what, 6, 12, probably like 18 feet away right here. And just kind of talking normally here. Talking while walking while talking. Okay. All right, friends. So hopefully now we'll just go back and listen to this. Here I am right here. we'll see how it works out. So. So this is about 20 feet away with some kind of some background noise in there. Got a fan running in the background, and we'll see if we can hear that. So yeah, the little lights on the top, they do light up. They kind of like point to where you're talking from. So I'm walking over here. Like I said, this is probably about 20 feet away, right here, with some background noise as well. And it seems to be the garage test. It worked out really well. You could hear pretty much everything, no problem. So we'll see how this one is. Just like if we were to have a little conversation here on the couch or whatever, and see if that would pick that up. So anyone else can hear. So there we are, just talking and walking. All right. Well, my friends, super impressed with this actually. You could hear the sound quality, and connection was really easy. Yeah, this should work perfectly for what we need it for. We need just like someone, like if having a Bible study and someone's trying to listen in on Skype, they couldn't really hear anything that people were saying. And so if we put this in the middle of the room, then everybody can hear no matter where they are. So, and no matter who's talking. So it should be pretty cool. Great sound quality on this. Really impressed actually with the ability for it to pick up the sound quite clearly even across the living room. So yeah, really happy with this device, my friends. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.